Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening everyone. Baik, saya akan coba sharing ya our diskusi kami di WhatsApp tentang ini topiknya bisa dibaca. Ada beberapa anggota kami di mana mereka semua berbahasa Inggris ya. Nah, kami mencoba beberapa orang yang diskusi, mungkin barangkali yang lain masih sibuk atau ada urusan ya, jadi mereka tidak ikut. Hanya 2 orang yang diskusi. Pertama, Mem Retno adalah seorang pengajar profesional juga dari Surabaya. Kemudian sahabat dari Rusia atau Rusia, Bro Gasan ya, atau Brother Gasan, tapi sebentar perugasan. Tapi sudah alhamdulillah ya, ingin diskusi bersama kami ya. Langsung aja Ani akan tunjukkan atau perdengarkan apa yang kami diskusikan. Tapi jangan lupa untuk dukung channel kami dengan subscribe, like, comment, share ya. Ring the bell, insyaallah barokah. Topiknya adalah, do you have the guts to speak English in public places and why? Ini topiknya. Alright, ini topiknya. Kemudian, silakan didengarkan.
Good afternoon, everyone. Well, very happy I can share with you guys here. It's our group fasting or discussion group. The first time we are going to discuss something or some issues here related to English. And I will upload our conversation or our discussion. One thing or one point that I think to empower or to inspire our young generations or our English lovers to be brave to speak up, to love English, and they want to try, I think, to share their ideas and so on. Well, the discussion will never happen, I think, without a topic. And this afternoon, I'm trying to drop a topic. It's about, do you have the guts to speak English in public places, and why? Alright, everyone, when you have a free time, you can send voice note here. But again, I do not want to force you. Just when you have a free time, you can share your voice note related to the topic. Thanks a lot. I think it's just the first time as an opening.
Hello, buddy. Thank you for adding me to this group, and I'd like to answer these questions. Do you have the guts to speak English in public places? It depends. So my answer would be yes and no. Why? It depends on the situation and it depends on the circumstances. If I speak English out of the blue, like in the middle of public places, like out of nowhere, out of blue, I am afraid that people may think that I'm trying to brag about my English skills. So yes, I'm not afraid of, I don't have any stage fright when it comes to speaking English in front of my people. But the circumstances have to be appropriate, like maybe I'm asked to deliver a speech on the stage, or maybe I need to have a native English speaker to find something, like a native English speaker who gets lost. I think that would be just fine. Like when I ran into a native English speaker, she's from Florida. At that time, she was doing the grocery near in the traditional market near my mom's house. At that time, I was unmarried, and I was buying some fish for my cat. And I ran into this lady. Apparently, she couldn't speak Bahasa Indonesia, so I tried to help her with her shopping list. So yeah, I escorted her to get what she wanted to buy. So yeah, I think that situation is appropriate for me. But like, you know what I mean, right? Like when in the middle of a public place, like out of nowhere, I suddenly speak English, and I think that wouldn't be great.
Alright, ma'am. The reason why I invite you here and our friends just want to level up our communication skill, and then we can focus on our topics like that, or everything we discuss here related to the topic. And you deserve, I think, you deserve to be here because you are chosen. You are chosen, and our friends here as well. Well, after listening to your Bahasa, we got the two answers here when you said it can be yes or no. Yes, the process you said that maybe when you want to help somebody who cannot speak Bahasa Indonesia or Indonesian, and I say something logic, right? And the second one, in my mind, maybe in my term, it's like what for, like that. We're speaking this in public, right? In my mind, again, you can correct me. Maybe in my mind, like so off, is that right? When we speaking English in public places, maybe when we meet up or when we are gathering, all right? There are some friends, and let's say maybe public place here, maybe like a cafe, maybe, and we're gathering, and everybody is trying to speak English, and it's that maybe in the mind I interpret this situation like maybe so off or showing off, right? Or for like that. Okay, that's my question to make it clear, right? But I have also the second question, ma'am, like this. When we are gathering and it's in public places, but our intention just for our purpose just want to improve our English, to challenge ourselves, maybe to challenge ourselves to be brave to speak up in public, right? Maybe when we're at home, we will be confident when we are talking with our family, right? But the situation, we want to challenge ourselves to be brave to speak English. That's why we're trying to speak English in public places. So, how do you see this one? It's still, I can say normal, or it will be categorized as showing off as well. Well, thanks a lot, ma'am.
Again, it depends on the circumstances. So maybe you don't know about this. In Surabaya, there is a huge community, English community called ECC. English, I don't know what ECC is, but one thing for sure is in Surabaya, and it is a big English community. So this community usually holds a meetup every Wednesday, and the members will come to, let's say, a cafe or a restaurant, so in a public place, and they have to speak English. They have to perform like an impromptu speech or maybe a dialogue. I don't know about that because I don't live in Surabaya, but this is normal because in this circumstance, they are asked to speak English. So it's not like showing off.
Great, ma'am. So it's been crystal clear, I think. So it's something normal. You gave us the example of one of the huge communities. In your place, that's in Surabaya. Wonderful. So they have, or in these circumstances, they want to use your term circumstance. They have to speak English. All right. So I want to give you the next question, ma'am. Honestly, I will upload this communication, right, or our discussion on YouTube. Maybe, they also want to listen, or the audience also want to listen to, or I can say maybe the viewers also want to know, all right, from you, because you said you have a huge community there. Maybe they want to listen to your advice. Maybe not all of people are brave, right? Brave to speak up in public, right? Maybe nervous and many reasons, right? Alright, maybe you want to share with us or the people or sharing the tips? We would be very happy to listen to that one.
I speak it when I speak it. It doesn't matter. It's about the place or inside the Bahasa or in the cafe or inside the hotel. I just speak it.
Frankly speaking, I don't know what to advise because speaking in public requires a lot of things, a lot of factors. But the most important thing is not only about English skills. It's about your confidence. And again, it depends on the person. And for me, I'm not 100% introvert. Well, actually, I don't believe that people can be so introvert or so extrovert. According to the test that I took last year, I was 60% extrovert and 40% introvert. Maybe I can be considered as ambivert. So, speaking in public, I mean, speaking a lot, it's like my innate trait, I think. Because when I was a kid, I like making friends. I like to talk a lot. I like to discuss anything with anybody. So yeah, maybe that's the reason why I think I'm not afraid of speaking a lot of people. I'm not afraid of speaking English, for example, in front of many audiences. And maybe that's the reason why I used to be one of the members of my school organization, and that was also the reason why I was chosen as the captain of the class back then when I was in college, despite my gender. I mean, back then, men tend to be a leader, but at the time I was a leader. Maybe because this is my innate trait. I like talking a lot. I like talking in front of many people. So yeah, the first thing is, those who want to speak English in front of many people, they have to be confident. If they can't speak English one day, at least they have to try to speak in Indonesian language in front of many people. If they have pressed their confidence, they can begin with speaking English. Don't be afraid of making mistakes, because making mistakes is normal, because we're human beings, and of course I'm a human being, and I'm sure I make mistakes as well. So yeah, I think that's all for me.
Have you written a Balkan? Well, my friend, like this. When you speaking with over there or in public places, so I want to know in Russia, the public response, I think, look at you guys, maybe you and your friends, right, speaking within public places. So I want to know in Russia, they bully you or, yeah, I don't know the reason over there. Would you share with us here? Wonderful, ma'am. Thanks a lot for sharing your experience and also the tips. The experience we have here by listening to your podcast, we know that you already know your pipeline. You have 60% extrovert and 40% introvert, and you said in the middle or ambivert. Wow. But a lot of people, I think, know their pipeline. You know it because you already take it, and I think that's cool. And about the tips itself, wow, wonderful. I think everyone here, I can say the audience or maybe the viewers will know, right? Maybe when they want to join an English club or as you said before, they're trying to be confident and don't worry about mistakes to learn, right? You said everyone will make mistakes, no exception yourself, but it's human beings, right? But it's a process, I think, to know something better, right? Or to reach our goal or achievement. That's nice, man. Thanks a lot. Inshallah, I think that the audience or the people, when they watch our video or our YouTube, they will try to be brave, I think, to make mistakes, try and error, I think, right? And the result will be better, inshallah. Again, thanks a lot, man. It's cool and useful.
Okay, all itu tadi pembicaraan kami, dan di menit-menit tengah dan sampai terakhir terpaksa saya cepatkan untuk durasi ya. Okay, mudah-mudahan ini bermanfaat, bisa untuk listening juga ada tips-tips yang disampaikan oleh para pembicara tadi, mudah-mudahan berguna. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.